What's up, everybody? When I was at work today at my day job, I'm a mechanical engineer. I've been doing this for about 15 years now. I saw a process flow diagram that I see all the time and never really think much about it. But today when I saw it, I thought it was very relatable to javelin training, to throws training, and overall, how we can take an athlete's dreams and goals and turn it into reality in championship competition. So what this process flow diagram is that I saw today and really inspired some thought was the systems engineering V. And the way we use it in engineering, it's a process that we take a customer's needs, go through a systematic approach to define the system requirements, distill those requirements into subsystems, components, implement the design, and then progressively validate and verify this design until we have a product that can be fielded that meets this customer's needs. So when I saw it today, I thought, wow, we could take this and turn it into a training system design V. So if you can bear with me for about 5 minutes, I'll kind of talk you through this process flow diagram and my opinions of how we could use it to take an athlete's dreams and turn it into reality. All right, so the first step of the training system design V would start with your athlete. They're gonna come to you with their dreams and goals. Hey coach, I wanna win the NCAA championships in the javelin. Or it's a team sport. We wanna win state. We wanna win the Super Bowl. And you're a coach and you sit back and you say, let's do it. But what's the systematic process that you're going to follow? Well, if we're following the systems engineering V, the first step would be identifying what are the required qualities that it's going to take you as an athlete and get you to your dream. Now, I know not everyone's going to take the same path to achieve those results, but there will be some commonalities. So we can look at past history, see what are the physical, mental, and emotional capabilities that you'll need to have to reach your dream. Once we have those established, we do a baseline assessment. So we take this athlete, we take this team, we say, what are you working with? Where are your strengths? Where are your weaknesses? What do we need to improve to get you where you want to be? We then develop a training plan. What methodologies are we going to use to boost those physical, those mental, and those emotional qualities that are going to make you a champion? Now, training plan implementation. This is the fun part. We've done a lot of planning. We've done a lot of talking about our dreams, our strengths, our weaknesses, looking at what are the best techniques out there. What are the old style? What's the new style? What's common? And we have a training plan, and now let's get to work. Let's wake up every day with a plan and go get it. So this is a lot of fun. Now we start to go up the V. So this is where we start to see, is our training plan working? So the first part would be component testing. So this is going to take the form of maybe some maxes in the weight room, testing some jumps, testing some sprints, see how explosive, how fast, maybe doing some conditioning tests. All of the subcomponents that you've identified as important to reach your overall goal, we're going to start testing those to see if our training plan is working. So hopefully you've developed a testing protocol in your training plan so you have planned periodic testing so that we can see, is this working and do we need to reassess? Continuing up the V, now we have some inter squad mock competition. So before we go off and start competing against other teams or traveling to big competitions, we're going to do some things in practice. We're going to ramp it up in practice. Maybe we're going to have an inter-squad scrimmage, maybe a mock meet within the team, but we're going to increase the intensity and see, can we take these improved qualities that we've attained and then turn those into our overall sport performance that we're looking for. The next step, early competition. So we're not going to go right from these inter-squad scrimmages to the NCAA championship or to the Super Bowl. So there's going to be early competition where we can test not only our physical, but also the emotional and mental. So it's crucial to plan some adversity into these early competitions. to make sure that we're not only optimizing that physical component, but trying to improve the mental and emotional capabilities that are going to be very key when you get to that championship meet. And the last step is the championship, right? So you've put in all this work. You've devised a plan, you've put it into practice, you've done some testing, you've maybe done some iteration. The hay is in the barn. So this is fun. You've put in more work than everybody else. You have the best plan, you've trusted that plan, and your dreams will become reality. After that competition, win, lose, or draw, you can reassess. Where do I stand now? What are the next goals? And how do I achieve those? Thank you very much for watching.